Just drilling shit. That's what she said.
And then I stopped. There was like the fucking elf bar.
Okay.
So I stopped that, and then I did smoke a little bit, like cigars and cigarettes, and then I need to stop that. I need not do either. But now when I get to like the end of the night, I get fucking getting cranky. Yeah, I do get bitching. So if I bitch at either of you, I apologize. It's not you. It's the nicotine.
And shit. You talking about like you're twitching?
Well, I ain't twitching.
Why he was free.
Cancel the autopsy police station.
Oh, cool. That's honestly an interesting way to
what
like.
What the fuck?
Can you keep playing him if you don't want to reborn him though?
I guess you can customize the same one.
Me and this hoe.
Like, all right, guys. Kind of like the last game, we're gonna have to find bodies with symbols on them for the keys to put them in.
Ew.
So I started with that now.
Holy shit! Wait. Is that fat mama whore here, bro?
The woman? No.
She's
Gooseberry,
not?
she's not here. She's not here now.
Oh, okay. I think.
Which way are we going?
Want to go together? We'll start with Crown if you guys want to do. Doesn't matter. Yeah, we'll
Let's go this way.
Let's go to
no,
Crown.
let's go this way.
All right.
Yeah, take them on up.
Locked.
It's
All
coming
right.
off. Wait, yo, we can't do shit in here, dude. Oh wait, look, hide. Oh wait, I wanna hide. What the fuck? Oh shit, I can't see.
All right, so we need a crown, eye, and a spade.
There's a question mark right there.
Investigate it. What is it?
What type of spade? Oh yeah, it's what we're looking for. It's what we're looking for.
I think that's a club,
It's not. Yeah, it's not what we're looking for. I lied.
Imposter.
Who's an imposter?
No, just avoid her. Just don't do
Oh,
anything.
It's me.
She just spawned. She's gone.
I don't know. Why does it do that? But I feel like I didn't do that yesterday.
Oh, fucking hell.
Shit.
We need to get out of here.
There's a lot of them.
It's fine. Just don't move. There's one on both sides of us.
Fuck. It's gonna be too intense by herself, bro. They knew.
Why does it want me to hide in here?
It
like marked it.
It's all me. It's all right. The one.
Oh shit! Bob, no, I hit Bob and weave. Fucker! Someone kicked him.
I did.
Tank kicked him, bro. W man.
You can take it.
Oh. Tank, what are W man? That's why I fuck with you. Oh shit. Get a health, ho. Tank, where you at?
Here. Found another body potentially. Let's see. We need this one. Nice.
Oh wow. Well, if I want to look for it. What is this?
There's something over here.
Adrenaline?
Evidence.
Where is it? Use the adrenaline too early. It doesn't matter. Use when you want.
I just wanted to, you know, so I can pick up this thing.
Yeah.
My sanity's full though.
Hold on, gang shit. Oh, sorry. Do you need that?
No, I don't. I just didn't know what it was.
I'm so sorry.
I just see you swiping, so I thought it was really funny.
When did we get the fucking psychosis gas?
Some guy came in and sprayed it on people. I think we're just in this room.
Wait. See, what is that? A rig recharger.
Yeah, so when you use your rig and you have to recharge it, you just recharge it with that.
If I don't have a rig.
Then you can't use it then.
Oh, shit. So you can have it back.
Can I have what back?
Wait, never mind. How'd you get over there?
What's a rig charger?
When you use your rake and it's used up, you can recharge it quicker with those things.
Oh, cool.
Did you just
But you
miss
don't
that
have one yet, so you can't use
conversation
it.
or something?
I realized that's what y'all were talking about as I was saying it.
For authority is key to productive
Wait,
healing.
Sag, get over here. We can bash this shit. Look, you see me?
Hold on.
It's time sensitive.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, posters. It's
Who's on the
optional.
other side? Oh, it said fucking Dr. Bitch. Ooh, can I do it?
Go ahead. Well, let's check first. Check first.
Wait, well, how'd y'all get over there? I'm scared.
Do we need that? Yeah, we didn't need that.
Oh, oopies, I'm being shocketh.
How'd y'all get over there?
Hold on a second. Oh, not here.
Oh
Leave,
shit!
leave.
Oh shit! I'm just stuck. Oh, take it too.
Sadie, right? Oh, cool.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out how to stun him.
Guys, help me! I'm fucked.
We just have to go back and go another way.
I'm so fucked. Man.
You're all fine, man.
Wait, Sam, how'd you get over there? There you go.
Wait, where'd y'all go?
Right here, look. Tank, right here, look.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, also. Right here. Yep.
Dope.
A lot of creepy shit's going on right now.
Oh, Tank
W.
Doobie over here breaking into rooms.
what I did, man.
Holy shit. It's really intense over here. Oh, we're back at the start. Oh. Wait, did we get the key?
We got 1 out of 3. Not so many. I gotta look for them. They're not gonna make them easy to find.
Someone's chasing us right now? Oh shit, he's coming.
We don't need a diamond.
Shit, he's coming out. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck, run. Wait, I think this is a dead end. It is a dead end.
Don't worry, I got my stun rig. Gotcha, bitch. Get out of here, bitch. Oh fuck!
Oh shit! Fuck.
Y'all, Mr. Psychosis Man just crawled out of the ground.
So that guy's here.
Oh god.
Hey, look, I have my heal ball. That was intense, man.
Mr. Psychosis Man! Yo!
Let's get him. You saw Skinner, man?
Yes, he's behind us!
I can't
Gotcha, just
see.
man. I have something for you.
What do you have for me?
I had an antidote for you. Are you hallucinating? Take it though.
Okay, hold on, gang shit.
I think Toxic took it.
Oh. Well, Psychosis Man he just found me again and you just sprayed me.
Toxic, you should give it to him, man. He
Yeah,
needs it.
yeah, give it to him.
Y'all, the Skinner Man's right there. Fuck.
Oh, shit. Fuck.
I don't have it
Where
anymore,
are we
so he
supposed
took
to
it.
go? He's fucking me. So I can give it to you.
Okay, I
Sal,
got
when
away, I
see
got
you.
away, it's fine.
He's just following me.
No, I didn't,
What the fuck? He jumped over it. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
That's what you deserve, Toxic, for stealing.
Help me.
It's medicine.
Sad here. You can have it. Come back. I'm gonna hide. Sad, wait. Sad can find me.
I'm here,
Sad,
I don't need it anymore. But now I have no health left. I'm literally on the verge of death. I'm gonna die.
Oh shit! Dodge.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Just dodge him.
Oh, Berserker's here too and everything.
Oh, he's right there by your body.
I know.
Oh shit! He's
I did not realize that was a thing.
Should I come
Cool.
help?
I'll take him away, maybe. Yeah, Toxic, do something. I'll take him away. Yeah, he's coming to me still.
Fuck, I tried, dude. I tried.
I'm being executed again.
I want to see if I can see it. Oh shit! He's whipping your
Go this game.
Nice.
Oh fuck, bro. It's taking forever to get up. Oh, you're not even getting me up. Holy shit, this verse is not good, dude.
Please crouch, dude. He's gonna hear us. Please crouch.
Yeah, I promise.
Nice.
That guy's
Yeah,
blind.
All right, we're going for we're going for spades now because that's dangerous over there.
Wait, so we get the other key at all?
Yeah, we got one so far. We need 2 more.
So each like room has a different key, basically.
Yeah, I see a question mark already. Hold on.
So now we can leave.
No, we need 1 more.
But like, we leave this room.
We leave this area, but we still need a crown.
Yo, let me know if you find any batteries, because I desperately need a battery.
Oh, I did see a battery source, but we have to be patient, Sad.
Oh, there's like a thing over here. What the fuck? Oh, I'm getting electrocuted.
Toxic, you're gonna get behind you. Watch out.
Bro, I need fucking heals, dude. Oh, I think my thing's ready.
Guys, back off. He's there. Like, get away from him.
Oh shit. Oh shit! What the fuck? I'm about to die. Popped up out of nowhere. But guys, I have heals.
I'm so dead. Oh no, I'm not. I got the heals. Oh my god.
I got him. Just go to that one room.
So?
Or not? No, dude. We have to get the other key.
I followed you. What do you mean no? Oh fuck, bro, he's gonna fuck me up, bro. I have no stamina.
Fucking hell, bro.
Shit, I can't run.
It's alright.
Oh shit, that guy's right there. You don't see me.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh shit! He pushed me.
I didn't realize they could do that.
Oh
What do we do?
shit!
We have to find the
You
crown
fucked me.
in that room that they're in. I'm gonna try it. You guys stay safe if you need to. I'll just find it myself.
You got this, dude. We're waiting for you. Dude, I need heals really bad.
Me too.
It's only halfway, and then I can throw it again.
That is not a crown.
Oh shit, he's walking back. What the fuck?
We don't need that guy either.
Oh shit. Oh, he's getting your ass. Oh, I'm trying to
I
run.
know. I'm gonna go down.
I reached the locker. Fuck. Made it. It's crazy what's happening to you right now.
I know, right? It's so crazy. This bitch is totally gonna execute me too. She won't leave me alone.
I found the crown, but I'll go back to you if I need to. Oh, she's coming too. That
Take your time. I'm not really pressed about it.
Oh wait, I'm distracted.
There's a fake creepy tank over here.
Oh, I got drugged.
The creepy Tificus.
How come they have infinite stamina and we don't?
Good question.
That's such bullshit. Spray into the hole.
Dude, don't bring him here. Don't bring him
My
here.
bad, my bad, my bad. I got him though. Fuck, he's gonna fuck me though. He's fucking me. He's proceeding to fuck me. Don't let him kill me.
Where are you, Tox?
He's chasing me.
Come on.
Run. He's right here. Run. I can't sprint like at all, dude. Like at all. There he goes. Run.
Well, I'm gonna get hit again because of this fucking dude that screams.
Fuck.
Oh. I got the last key. Everyone go back. We can meet up.
Just chill. Wait, I think my thing's ready.
Yo, there's a real big man over
Oh
here.
shit! What the fuck?
Like a real big man. He's kind of sexy.
What?
I'm sexy.
Fucking dog.
Like a fucking dog. Holy shit.
Is he killing you? I gotta go.
What a predicament,
No
man.
way! Open the door.
He's being really slow.
I can't get in.
I don't know, dude.
Just let me in.
There we go.
Come on, heal me.
Close the door again.
I lock it. Lock it. All right, good.
Wait,
Guys,
I
lock it,
have
guys.
my heal thing. I have my heal
Just follow
thing.
my lead. Follow my lead.
Well, don't crouch.
Well, that guy was screaming at us. We'll be fine.
Yeah, well, we got a big guy behind us.
No, he's fine. Okay, let's go.
Run in.
Yo, there's a doctor on me. Please don't. I'm gonna get hit because I got no stamina. I still don't have stamina.
I'll get all of you eventually.
Jump, Sad. Jump. If you have no stamina, jump.
Oh, so he's fucking me.
Toxic. Just jump. Good.
We did it.
We did it.
GG's. Great stuff.
They're really them. D, what the fuck? What are we doing wrong?
We both got D's.
It's Tank's gamer chair.
Yeah, pretty much. It's also imagine how much damage you get and how much like you like protect yourself and all that. That like
Yeah.
affects your
Well, I mean, you also have 30 hours in this game already, so I feel like it makes sense that you'd be better at this than us.
I'm alright.
Hey, I know I haven't posted in a while. I apologize. I'm really sorry, but I don't have an excuse. I just want to come out here and ask if y'all can let me know in the comments if y'all would rather see the rest of this series like back to back, right? Because I have the footage for the rest of this file. There's in this game there's three different levels, which are 3 different files, whatever, right? Like each one has other levels, and you'll notice as I release more of this level, you'll see the same levels. They just get progressively harder. That's why it's the same. I know it's kind of stupid, but whatever. But yeah, just let me know if you'd rather me mix in other videos with it or just keep posting this one. And that's all I'd ask y'all. So I hope y'all like the video.